Hello and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. Today we are going to be making a delicious chickpea salad. It's going to be super simple. We just need 3 cans of rinsed chickpeas straight into our lidded Tupperware. Adding to that 1 cup of chopped feta, 1 cup of roughly chopped artichokes. These are the marinated artichokes. So we've got a lot of flavor in there. We want a ½ a cup of sliced green olives, a ¼ cup of diced sun-dried tomatoes, 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic. You want fresh garlic for this, and have a bit of extra zip to it than the jarred or canned garlic. We want ½ a teaspoon of Italian seasoning mix. We're just going to do a quick shot of lemon juice for freshness. That's going to be about ½ a teaspoon. Alright, that's it. That easy. We just pop our lid onto our large Tupperware and give it a really good shake and mix. This is a great recipe for the start of the week. Have this all ready to go in your fridge. You can just portion out into Tupperwares for healthy lunches. You can then take along to the office. Super delicious. Super easy. So once it's all mixed up, you do want to leave that to sit at least overnight just for the flavors to really mingle. That is a delicious quick meal.
Like and follow Sassy Kate and Ren for more delicious recipes.